Black rice, it was once called forbidden rice because only emperors were allowed to eat it. Why? Because it was believed to extend life, boost strength, and even offer healing powers. But here's what they never told you. This ancient grain has more antioxidants than blueberries, more iron than brown rice, and it may help fight inflammation, heart disease, and even cancer. And it's not just a superfood, it's a culinary powerhouse. In this video, we'll uncover 9 unbelievable health benefits, 3 ancient facts that blew our minds, and 6 delicious, easy ways to cook it from savory meals to sweet surprises. So if you're bored of white rice or fooled by brown, it's time to unlock the black truth. Stay tuned, you'll never look at rice the same way again. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Black rice is rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, the same powerful compounds found in blueberries and blackberries. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging, cell damage, and chronic diseases. In fact, black rice has one of the highest antioxidant levels of all rice varieties. Including in your meals could support longevity, improve skin health, and protect your body from environmental stress. Number 2, supports heart health. Your heart loves black rice. Thanks to its anthocyanins and high fiber content, black rice has been shown to reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol. It also helps prevent the buildup of arterial plaque, lowering your risk of heart disease and stroke. Regular consumption may improve overall cardiovascular function and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Number 3, aids in weight management. Try to lose or maintain weight. Black rice is an excellent choice. It's lower in calories and carbohydrates than white rice and higher in dietary fiber. This means it keeps you feeling full longer, reduces snacking urges, and helps you stay within your calorie goals. Fiber-rich foods also support better metabolism and fat digestion. Number 4, improves digestive health. A healthy gut is the foundation of good health, and black rice is packed with dietary fiber that aids digestion. Fiber helps bulk up stool and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing constipation. It also nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut, supporting a healthier microbiome. Over time, better digestion can lead to increased energy and stronger immunity. Number 5, fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Black rice contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds, including flavonoids and anthocyanins. These work to reduce swelling, pain, and oxidative stress at the cellular level. Regular consumption can help manage symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions. Number 6, regulates blood sugar. Unlike white rice, black rice doesn't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar. That's because it has a low glycemic index and is absorbed slowly into the bloodstream. This makes it a safe option for people with diabetes or those watching their blood sugar levels. Fiber also plays a key role in slowing glucose absorption. Number 7, supports brain health. Want to boost your brain? Black rice's antioxidants don't just protect your body, they protect your mind. 2, studies suggest that anthocyanins may improve memory, focus, and cognitive function by reducing oxidative stress in the brain. Including black rice in your diet could help support brain health as you age. Number 8, boosts immunity. Your immune system thrives on nutrients, and black rice delivers. It's rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin E, all essential for maintaining a strong immune defense. These nutrients help your body produce white blood cells, heal faster, and fight infections more effectively. Number 9, potential anti-cancer properties. Emerging research shows that anthocyanins in black rice may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. While more studies are needed, the early findings are promising. Combined with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, black rice may play a role in cancer prevention as part of a balanced, plant-based diet. Bingo! Here are the 3 amazing facts. Number 1, once forbidden for commoners, black rice was so prized in ancient China, it was reserved only for royalty. Anyone else caught eating it could be punished. That's why it earned the nickname forbidden rice. Number 2, turns purple when cooked. Black rice transforms into a deep purple color when cooked because of its high anthocyanin content. That's the same antioxidant found in purple cabbage and blueberries. Color equals power. Number 3, still rare in many countries. Even today, black rice is rare in most kitchens due to its short supply and intense harvesting process. That's why it often costs more, but its health benefits make it worth every grain. Amazing recipe, give it a try. 6. Delicious ways to eat black rice. Black rice porridge. Simmer black rice with coconut milk, cinnamon, and a touch of honey for a warm, nourishing breakfast bowl. Top with fruit for added flavor. Put a bowl base. Swap your regular white rice with black rice in a grain bowl. Add roasted veggies, chickpeas, and tahini dressing for a colorful, protein-packed meal. Thai black rice pudding, a traditional Southeast Asian dessert. Black rice simmered in coconut milk and palm sugar, topped with mango. Sweet, sticky, and satisfying. Black rice sushi. Roll up your sushi with black rice for an antioxidant-rich twist. The color contrast looks stunning and the texture is amazing. Black rice stir-fry. Toss it with garlic, ginger, tofu, and your favorite veggies for a quick and nutritious one-pan meal. Crunchy, colorful, and deeply flavorful. Cold black rice salad. Mix cooked black rice with diced cucumber, mint, lemon, and olive oil for a refreshing summer salad that keeps you energized. Was black rice on your radar before this? Let me know in the comments. If you learned something new or you're ready to try one of these recipes, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a health upgrade. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos packed with nutrition, science, and flavor. Next up, what if I told you that something as small as a seed could support hormonal balance, digestion, and even better sleep? Stay tuned, because in our next episode, we're cracking open the secrets of pumpkin seeds. You've never heard it like this before. Hit the bell so you don't miss it.